Now here the question is, consider a circle x square plus y square equals 9 and parabola y square equals 8x. They intersect at P and Q in first and fourth quadrants respectively. The tangent to the circle at P and Q intersect the x-axis at R, and tangents to parabola at P and Q intersect the x-axis at S. Then we need to find answers to these three questions. So we have this circle. Center at origin and radius 3. And then we have this parabola y square equals 8x. So they intersect each other at points P and Q. So first we'll solve their point of intersection. So we'll eliminate y square. So we'll put it in this equation. We'll write x square plus 8x minus 9 equals to 0. So it will be x plus 9, x minus 1 is equal to 0. So value of x is either minus 9 or value of x is 1. So x cannot be negative. So that means value of x is 1. Now if we'll put x as 1, we'll get y as plus minus 2 root 2. So that means this point P is 1 comma 2 root 2 and this point Q is 1 comma minus 2 root 2. Now it says tangents to the circle at P and Q intersect the x-axis at R. So we are drawing tangents to the circle. And they intersect each other at this point R. So we need to find this point R. So we know that this point, it lies on circle. So when the point lies on the curve, we know that equation of tangent is given by t equals to 0. So for this circle, t equals to 0 will be, so in place of x, we'll write x into x1. In place of y, y into y1, and this is equals to 9. So now we'll need this point which lies on x-axis. So I'll put y as 0. So I'll get x as 9. So this point R is 9 comma 0. Now it also says tangents are drawn to this parabola also. Now they intersect at the point S. Again, these points P and Q, they lie on this parabola. So again, equation of tangent is given by t equals to 0. So for y square, we'll write 2 root 2y, and then this is 8 and x plus 1 by 2. So now again, we need this point on x-axis. I'll put y as 0. So I'll get x as minus 1. So this point S is minus 1 comma 0. Now we'll find area of triangle SPR. So what is the area of this triangle? So it'll be half, and then what is the value of base? Base is 10. And what's height here? Height is 2 root 2. So it is 10 root 2. We'll also find area of PQS. So for this PQS, it is half, height is 2 units, and this is 4 root 2. So it is 4 root 2 square units, and we'll also find area of triangle PQR. So area of triangle PQR will be half, and then 9 minus 1, 8, and then 4 root 2. So it'll be 16 root 2. Now what is the first question? First question is ratio of the areas of triangles PQS and PQR. So ratio of PQS upon PQR. So this ratio, it is 1 by 4, and that's your option number C. Now second question is, we need to find radius of circumcircle of triangle PRS. So for this triangle, we need to find radius of circumcircle. So we know that radius of circumcircle is ABC upon 4 delta. So what's A? Suppose this length is A, this is suppose A, that's B, and that's C. So A is 10, and what's the value of B? B is 8 square plus 8. So that'll be 64 plus 8, 72. 72 is 6 root 2. And then what is the value of C? So this is 2. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 is 2 root 3. Upon 4. And what is the value of delta? Now area of triangle SPR, it is 10 root 2. So root 2 will cancel, 10 will cancel, and then it will be 3 root 3. So that's your option number B. Now for this triangle PQR, we need to find radius of incircle. So we know that radius of incircle is simply delta upon S. So what is the area of triangle PQR? So area of triangle PQR is 16 root 2. And what is the value of S? S is semi-perimeter. So it is B plus B. So that is 2B. And then plus this value, which is 4 root 2 divided by 2. And what is the value of B? B is root 72, which is 6 root 2. So it will be 16 root 2, 12 root 2 plus 4 root 2. It will be 16 root 2. So 8 root 2. So this value is simply 2. So radius of incircle is 2 units.